here we go. I don't know what we're... Okay, here we go. So we're making some... I don't know what we're making. What is this? We got some... we're in the kitchen. We're making some chicken. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Pollo. Chicken. And then this... I'm not even sure what this is. I think it's pasta. Amazing pasta. And then we got some other stuff going on here in the blender. Tomato, chili peppers, garlic, spicy. And then we got some, I don't know, she's putting some other crackers or some stuff in there. I don't know, she's just a gourmet chef, and this is amazing food. This is the best food in the world. And at the same time, we're watching America's Got Talent. We're hanging out, relaxing. We had a long day today. I worked on my computer for like 6 hours today, 5 or 6 hours today, that's it. And recorded a couple of videos. This is the remote to the TV. Here's the remote to the air conditioning over there. We're in the Caribbean. We're like probably a 20-minute walk to the beach or 5-minute taxi to the beach. And we're chilling out. We're relaxing. And this is what I do for a living. We're watching America's Got Talent. We're having some fun, making some food. But the important thing is this. This is why you need to watch my videos, subscribe. Here, watch. Let me tell you what to do. Check this out. I know how to make a lot of money, and I know how to teach you how to make a lot of money. So number one, subscribe to my channel below. Click the Sorry, I'm a little... She's laughing. Click the subscribe channel. Number one. Number two. Click the like button if you like these videos. I'm speaking good. I'm trying. Will you stop? Tell her to stop. Hey, tell them to click the like button. Click the like button. Because I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money and also save a lot of money. And I'm going to tell you in 1 second. Give me a minute. Give me a second here. Hold on. Number three. She's making a lot of noise there. She's making a spicy sauce for our chicken and pasta tonight. We're eating a magnificent meal. You can't believe the food that this girl makes. I have a gourmet personal chef, my personal chef. Every day, she makes food for me. How many of you have a personal chef? Do you have a personal chef? Want me to show you how to get a personal chef? Then I want you to click on the notifications button in my videos. Click on the bell, ring the bell, ding, 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 and click on the bell and click all of my notifications for all of my videos. Because I have a brand new YouTube channel, brand new, showing people how to make a lot of money. I'm talking thousands of dollars a day, and then also how to save a lot of money. For example, I showed somebody today, Friday, January, I don't even know what it is. What is it, January? Oh, it's the 31st, January 31st. Tomorrow is Saturday, February 1st. And I showed a lady today how to save $1,000 a month. $1,000 a month she's going to put in her pocket. She doesn't have to use that money for anything. And then I want you to, right here, share my videos with everybody. I want you to click share and share my videos because I'm going to teach you how to do this. Listen, this is great stuff. Oh, we're watching America's Got Talent. We're making food. And we're having a great time. It's 10 o'clock at night, Friday night, January 31st, 2020. Hang on, listen. The number one way to make money, if you want to make money right now, listen to me very carefully. I'm telling you, the number one way to make money is this. Forget all this other bullshit you're watching on the internet. Stop trying to download all these videos and all these other tricks. People telling you, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day. Posting it out on Facebook. I'm going to show you how to make $500 a day going to classmates.com or sending emails to people or posting flyers outside on a telephone pole, or it's all bullshit, guys. Listen, forget all of this bullshit. You cannot make a lot of money consistently, long term, doing all this other shit on the internet that people are teaching you. Forget it, I'm telling you. And look at this. This is what I did. I watched a video yesterday for 2 hours teaching me all of these things. I wrote it down. Here's the list. Look at step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step. Look at all this stuff they tried to teach me on a video. One of the top multimillionaire internet guys showing people how to do all this stuff to make money. Are you kidding me? You'll never do this. I would never do this. This is insane. Are they fucking stupid? It's a scam. It's a gimmick. It's a trick. They're just trying to get you to buy their product. Forget this. You'll never learn how to do this. I would never do this. I spent 2 hours watching a video trying to tell me how to do all of these different steps to make $100 a day. Are you fucking kidding me? That's a loser. They're losers. They're just trying to. They have millions and millions of people because they spend a lot of money on YouTube, Google ads, and Facebook advertising, and Instagram advertising, getting millions and millions of views and people clicking on their videos to download their product for $50 or $100. I even have one guy, this guy, is charging $1,000 for his training course, and people are actually clicking on it, getting out their credit card and debit card and buying it. He's a genius. He's making $30,000 a month, but nobody does anything with this information. They don't do anything with it. You never will. So let me show you the number one thing you can do to make money right now. Watch this. In the description below, click on my link and get my ebook and read it. It's going to take you about 15 minutes. I show you exactly what I do every day. 2 steps to make money every day online while traveling the world. We're in the Caribbean right now in this little condominium. This is a brand new condominium. Look at this. Brand new TV, brand new bed, brand new kitchen. We got a brand new balcony out here. Check this out, brand new patio. Okay? We're hanging out here in the Caribbean. About 5 minutes away is the Caribbean Ocean in Mexico. I'm actually in Mexico right now. But I've been traveling the world. I've been traveling the world since March of 2017. March 2017, I left the United States. 2017, I left the United States on a plane, a Delta Boeing plane, and I flew to the country of Singapore. And I have not been back to the USA since March of 2017. I've made all of my money online doing one simple thing: teaching people how to make money online. Got it? So if you would like me to teach you how to make money online, click on the description below. You will make money with me doing one simple thing. And I'm going to tell you what it is right now. Listen, here's the there's no secret. You post an ad on social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, wherever, Snapchat, wherever you are watching this video right now. If you are interested, and listen, out of 1,000 people that watch my videos every day, I'm only looking for about 1%. I already know only 1% are going to click on the description below. They're going to send me their name, they're going to send me their mobile number, cell phone number with their country code, and they're going to send me their email. Maybe that's you, but only 1% will do that. I know my numbers. I don't even need 1%. I need like 0.5%, like a half of 1%. Okay? And then I get them on a live call, a live strategy call. Yep, a live strategy call. And I teach them how to do one thing, that's it. One thing to make a lot of money. And I'll tell you what the money is in a second here. So watch this. I turn people into an online consultant, teaching people how to make money online. So let me say that again. I take a normal average person or a business owner. I don't care if you're already making $100,000 a month. If you want to make $200,000 a month, $300,000 a month. The number one business in the world online right now, February 1st, which is tomorrow, Saturday, 2020, is the online consulting business. Ask anybody. Ask Microsoft. Ask Bill Gates. Ask, well, Steve Jobs, you can't, he's dead. But ask Apple. Ask anybody who's making money online right now. The number one business is teaching people and training people how to make money online. That's it. Period. Now, the number two business is teaching people how to make money in real estate, because real estate, you can always make money. The number one business in the world that everybody's already made millions of dollars is real estate. In fact, I'm staying in a condo, a brand new condo right now, brand new, everything's brand new, from Airbnb. Airbnb, they are billionaires. So the second business to make millions is selling real estate, flipping real estate, and renting properties on Airbnb. You can make a fortune. So that's what I teach people. So here's what I want you to do. My channel, my new channel that I created for 2020 right now, I want you to read my ebook below. Click on the link below, read my ebook, and then I want you to contact me, send me a comment here on Facebook, on Instagram. All of my links for Facebook, for Instagram, for YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, everything is below this video in the description. Contact me. I even put my WhatsApp number. Send me a WhatsApp. And if you don't know what WhatsApp is, you're an idiot. You have no idea what you're doing. WhatsApp is the number one way to communicate with people online. I make money on WhatsApp. Facebook owns WhatsApp. So download WhatsApp to your phone if you're in the USA or Canada. If you're in other parts of the world, you already know what WhatsApp is. And send me a message. Let me teach you how to make a lot of money. And one day. Not 1 month, 1 day. Forget all these other stupid tricks. Clicking on all these videos, people saying, let me show you how to make $100 a day on Facebook. Let me show you how to make $100 a day on Instagram. Let me show you how to go to classmates.com and email people, send emails and make $100 a day. It's all bullshit, guys. It's a lie. It would take you forever to do that. In 1 day, I can show you how to post one ad, one video, and people will send you money every day. Credit card, debit card, PayPal, Western Union, MoneyGram, World Remit. I have 15 ways that people will send you money every day. But you have to follow my system. Contact me today. Boom. Let's make money.